Hey, it's Pipple from Pip in the Band. This episode is recorded when there's a party next door, so you might hear some background noise.
Why is there a party on Monday?
Today I will be talking about how people on YouTube will get money now, or get paid actually. If you haven't been living under a rock and as a normal person in a house or apartment, you might have heard of YouTube's monetization rule things. It will affect people who want to make a living out of YouTube, except for me. That's pretty obvious actually. But I also want subscribers, so subscribe before the video starts. So if you forget to unsubscribe after you don't like the video, I'll have an extra subscriber. When it comes to the YouTube Partner Program, there's much to expect and change to how it works. YouTube changes their rules constantly, and this was meant to happen sooner or later. Sometimes you just need views, and sometimes you just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time per month. This will affect many small creators that are just starting and want to make a living out of this. From my experiences, it's very hard to grow as a Minecraft channel, so you have to try to make something new in Minecraft or make your own different content. A couple years ago, YouTube would have a partner program that had hand-picked channels. You had to apply manually, and they would check out your channel, and if it was good, you're in. If you get no views, get the frick out of here. So it reminds me of the ad apocalypse. You need 10,000 views for ads to start coming in. Thanks, PewDiePie. According to ArsTechnica.com, and I quote, "Small creators who have already passed the previous 10,000 lifetime view milestone but not new goals will be removed from YouTube Partner Program starting February 20th and will be unable to monetize their videos in that matter." That means that I won't get the $0.01 YouTube said they would pay me. I read a tweet that said, "Ha ha ha, so my little sister used to upload Littlest Pet Shop videos on YouTube when she was like 9, and she accidentally enabled ad revenue. We checked her AdSense account yesterday, and she's made $1,500. Turn up. And that's awesome, but that's what YouTube wants to prevent. You see, ads are not infinite. Go to any big YouTuber's channel and there's a chance that you won't get an ad. Also, you can't be putting ads on every video because that's just an a-hole thing to do. Companies use their budget for these ads, and the only time you'll get ads on almost every video you watch is in the winter. That's because of people being home for Christmas break, Christmas after all, and just the rest of their budget. And they just want to finish off the rest of their budget. Now we've got Keemstar over here telling small creators to quit.
So now everyone's asking me, well, what advice do you have for small YouTubers? Quit. You cannot make it in this game anymore, all right? You're not going to make it. There is way too much competition.
Okay, Keemstar, please stop. But that competition can be beaten by creativity and hard work, or having no talent. Let's be honest, you don't need talent when our competition is RiceGum and Jake Paul. I feel like this is also a good thing because channels that steal other people's content like movies and other YouTubers' videos and just re-uploading them will get revenue cut off. And I see people get really mad about the 4,000 hours of watch time, but I'm gonna be honest, it's $4 being cut off your pay. It's not that hard to do. With hard work and creativity, you can make money on YouTube in no time. Now, what do you think about this? Do you approve of this change or not? Tell me down in the comments and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I want to hit 100 subscribers by the end of next month. And I would like to have you on the ride with me. Hope to see you again, and goodbye.